You know how we all spend hours scrolling through Facebook? Well, what if you could turn that time into a full-on source of income? In this explainer, we're going to break down 5 really practical methods to help you earn some real money on Facebook. So let's get right into it. First things first, just a quick question for you right now. Is your Facebook account making you any money? And hey, if you're like most people, the answer is probably a big no. But stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll have a clear roadmap to change that. So what we're going to do is walk through 5 super actionable strategies to monetize your Facebook presence. And the best part is, it doesn't matter if you're a seasoned content creator, an entrepreneur, or maybe you're just looking for a little side hustle. There is definitely something in here for you. But before we jump into the fun part, actually making money, we've got to understand the rules of the game. Facebook has some pretty important policies you have to follow to even be eligible. You got to play by the rules if you want to get paid, right? Getting this right from the start is absolutely crucial. So, what are we talking about here? Well, it really boils down to a few key things. You've got to follow their partner monetization policies, which is basically about being professional and authentic. Then there are the community standards, which are all about keeping the platform safe. And on top of that, each method we're going to talk about has its own specific targets, like follower counts, which we'll get into. All right, now for the part you've been waiting for. What's the actual earning potential here? We're not just talking about pocket change. Depending on your niche and how engaged your audience is, the numbers can get pretty serious. Let's take a look at what the data tells us. Okay, just look at this table. It's kind of wild how much your content category matters. For every 10,000 views, if you're in the DIY and craft space, you could be looking at anywhere from $200 to $800. Compare that to travel, which might be $50 to $300. This just goes to show you why picking your niche and, more importantly, making really high-quality content is so critical. Okay, let's dive into path number 1. This is the foundation, the absolute starting point. Before you can earn a dime, you need a home base for your content, and that's a dedicated Facebook page. It's totally free, and it's the first real step to building a professional presence on the platform. And honestly, making a page couldn't be easier. You just log in, hit Pages, then create new page. Give it a name, pick a category that fits, throw in a cool profile picture and cover photo, and that's it. Boom. In just a couple of minutes, you're officially up and running. All right, if video is your thing, you're going to want to pay close attention to this next one. Facebook gives you a direct way to earn money with something called in-stream ads. This is how you get a piece of that sweet, sweet ad revenue from the videos you're already making. So what are in-stream ads anyway? They're just those short ads that Facebook automatically places in your videos, sometimes before, during, or right at the end. Every time somebody watches one of those ads on your content, you earn a share of the money. It's a really powerful way to get paid for your work. But there's a catch. You can't just flip a switch. You've got to hit a few milestones first. The first big one is your audience size. You need at least 10,000 followers on your page. Basically, this tells Facebook, hey, this person has a real, stable community that advertisers want to reach. Next up, it's all about engagement. It's not enough to just have followers. You need them to actually watch your stuff. You have to rack up 600,000 total minutes of watch time on your videos in the last 60 days. That huge number proves that people are actually sticking around, making your page a valuable spot for ads. And last but not least, you need to have some content in the bank. Your page has to have at least 5 active videos on it. This just shows Facebook that you're a consistent creator, not a one-hit wonder, which makes you a much safer bet for advertisers. But listen, in-stream ads are just one piece of the puzzle. Let's talk about 3 other awesome ways to earn where you actually have a lot more direct control over your income, from selling things yourself to partnering up with brands. Okay, so these next 3 are all pretty different. First, you've got Facebook Marketplace. Think of it like a giant digital garage sale for your whole community. It's probably the easiest and fastest way to start, with no follower counts needed. Then there's influencer marketing. This is where your audience becomes the asset. Once you build up a following, brands will actually pay you to talk about their products. And finally, affiliate marketing. It's simple. You promote a product, someone buys it through your special link, and you get a cut of the sale. Okay, I know what you're thinking. You've probably got a bunch of questions about the nuts and bolts of all this. Like, how does it really work? So let's do a quick fire round and answer some of the biggest questions people have about earning money on Facebook. All right, question number 1, and it's the big one. When do I actually get paid? It's great to earn the money, but when does it land in your bank account? So Facebook pays out once a month. As long as you've earned enough to hit that minimum payout amount, you can expect to see the money sent out around the 21st of every month. Pretty straightforward. Okay, this might be the number one question everyone asks. We all want to know, what are our views actually worth? What can you realistically expect for every 1,000 views on a video? So, once you're all set up and eligible, you can earn up to $10 for every 1,000 views. Now, keep in mind, this number can change based on things like who's watching and where they live, but it gives you a really solid benchmark to aim for. All right, let's bust a common myth right now. Do you get paid just for having a ton of followers on Facebook? The short answer is no. Facebook doesn't just hand you cash for hitting a certain number of followers. But, and this is a huge but, your followers are the key that unlocks almost everything else. Think of them as the gateway to all the income opportunities we've been talking about. So, if there's one thing you take away from all of this, let it be this. It doesn't matter if you're making videos, selling stuff, or working with brands, the single biggest thing that will increase your earnings is the quality of your content. At the end of the day, amazing content is what brings people in, keeps them watching, and that's what turns into real money in your pocket.